Hello and welcome to Westcoast RCP. Now I've had around 4 episodes of the disassembly of my Chevrolet C10. That is old movies that I recorded when I started on the disassembly. So this is from winter. I didn't have much equipment at that time. I had an old computer, and I of course forgot about sound recordings and all that stuff. So I have to say, I have to apologize for the bad quality of this video, but that is what I had at that time. So you might see that in the future you will see better and better quality of filming, and I also have to learn this. By all means, I am no car mechanic. Everything is learning by doing. So what I do is the things that I think is best doing, and that is also what I've seen on other YouTube videos and how to do it videos and stuff like that. So yeah, so don't take my advice as a car mechanic or anything, because I like to say that I have no idea what I'm doing, and then we'll just see what the results will be. and and I would like to try and explain a little bit in this episode uh, what my ideas are for West Coast riders, custom, and projects. My idea is to build cars and film this, filming from my workshop, have updates of how things is going on. A lot of times when you do see car shows and car programs and maybe even YouTubers, then it seems like, okay, 4 episodes, that's 1 month, and it took 1 month to build a car, but it actually takes a lot longer time than that, and I would like to show you this, that it takes a longer time, and I would like to show you how long it will take actually when you have a job, when you have a family, you have everything. So I think that is very important to so people can see this. Not everything is just 4 episodes and then you are finished. It takes a long time. Just sandblasting parts in a cabinet, you get issues. You have maybe a little bit of moist because I can't afford $5,000 or $6,000 compressor with yeah, whatever it takes to get all of this moist out and stuff like this. And normal people don't. They have a normal compressor and they have maybe a cabinet to sandblast things, and it gets complicated and when you're doing stuff like that. So it takes time, and I would like to show this. This is what I would like to show. And in the meantime, I'm also starting other things around here. I have my job, I'm starting a couple of companies, I have an organization that I also have started because I would like to help car clubs who have teenager departments. So I have a lot of things going on, but when I am home, I have around 3 hours of workshop time every day to try and film this and show to you how things are going with this build. And when this build is over, it's over to the next build. I have bought myself a Chevrolet Biscayne from 1960. That is going to be the next project. But usually a project takes around 1 to 2 years, I guess, if you have the parts. I have most of the parts because, as I said in another video, I was working a lot extra to afford this. And I think it's nice to see how things is going. And well, when the Biscayne is ready, that's in around hopefully 2 years, maybe sooner if I'm lucky. But in the meantime, I'm driving around in Norway with the Biscayne and filming this, so you can see Norwegian nature from a classic car. So you can see we are driving around, we are finding small farm stores, small bakeries that you can see around in Norway. So you can both see working on a project and also driving an American car. I called the Biscayne for biscuit, and so if I say biscuit, then it's the Biscayne I'm talking about. And for me, I will try to put out kind of an episode every Sunday. And so then you can see how it goes every Sunday on the project, or I show you a trip that we took now in the summertime. Now I live on the West Coast, so it's raining a lot here, and that of course shorts down the possible amount of driving trips, or road trips, but we try to do this alongside everything else. So if there is anything you're wondering about, any questions or anything, feel free to ask. And in the meantime, I am working on my free time now on this organization. I think it's important to get young kids or youth, teenagers out in car clubs and learn how to work on cars and to preserve car history, because then they will help to do this. And of course, this is member based, so the more members, the more money I have to help these car clubs. And this is all over Europe. It's not just in Norway. It's supposed to be all over Europe. So it's a non-profit organization, just to get that out in the open. And also I am starting a marketplace for veteran vehicles, and so this is going to be something like how to say that, something like eBay, but only for veteran cars, veteran motorcycles, scooters, caravans, camping wagons, car memorabilia, and also courses. So if you are having a sheet plate metalworker course to learn how to use the English wheel or stuff like that, you can put that course out and advertise for this so people can take this course. And for now it's free to put things out there. When it gets out there, I will tell you when it does. I hope it's around 1st of September. Everything should be ready, but I'm working with that also. So I have a lot of things in the air, and of course I have an ordinary job. I have to pay my bills like everyone else. So I'm working as much as I can, and I hope that you will continue to watch and continue to see the episodes. And if you like, I think it would be cool if you would just hammer that like button and subscribe to Westcoast RCP. And enjoy the videos that I put out in the future, and just enjoy. So happy car building, man and girls.